Well, YouTube, we're out here working on the dresser again. 2 drawers left, finish up getting glued up. A lot of you may have noticed in the last video that this truck has no battery in it. Big hole battery. But, got a problem, got a solution. Got a new battery. Bought an Optima battery. We're going to build a battery box for it, keep it held in, held down, held tight. Get that done, we'll be good to go. Alright, so what I'm doing here, I don't have a good oxyacetylene torch or a map gas torch. I do have a torch. Screwed a bottle of propane onto it, makes a fire. Now we're going to heat this piece of flat strap up, bend it around the contour of this piece of sheet metal, build the bottom tray from a battery box. A little wooden block. Now I'm going to have to move around a little bit while I'm welding this thing. Probably ought to put it in an angle. Something like, I don't know, maybe that. I have to move around, weld a little over here, weld a little over here, weld a little over here. Then I'll flip it around, weld a little over here. I'm going to distribute the heat since it's pretty thin. I don't want it warping and twisting and looking like a big old banana on me, so get some safety stuff on here. Pull the old ring off. Can't put the welding gloves on with the ring on. Put the old hood on. Flip on some ground. Those are snug, but I like them tight. Tight is good. Argue with that one. All right, here we go. cut these little angle iron pieces here. We'll weld them to the side of the tray right here. We'll punch a hole in it, and that'll let me bolt my rack coming over the top. Here's the bend so far. I've got the last piece marked. So the tray will be under here, bolt in, up over the battery, hold it down, and I'm gonna bend this. I'll lay this over, that'll make that flap stick out that way. Poke a hole here, poke a hole here, and then that will all bolt down to that. There's that bolted there. That bolt to that. Won't need that little guy. Get a good paint job on it, make her shine, and drop her in the truck. Here it is. Finished project, all but the paint. So it'll sit. Bolt through right there. Bolt through right there. Battery tight. We get that whole thing welded into the truck. We'll be good to go. So while I was in the middle of hanging up my battery tray, truck pulled up with those. We got brand new Swampers, folks. 16 by 38.5 by 16.5. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Look, got the little nipples on them and everything. Happy day. Happy day at my house. Yeah, buddy. So I got, about that deep a tread. Yeah, they're an improvement. Definitely gonna say they're an improvement. All right, back to the rest of the world. We're gonna paint those. We're gonna paint them black. So we'll slap a coat of paint on them. I'll get back. We'll put them in the truck. Look at them tires though. Woo! I'll let the paint dry overnight, so we're good to go. We'll take this. Basically drop it in right there. I'll drill some holes, put a couple plug welds in, hold it to the fender well, and then we'll set the battery in, fire this thing up again. Notice it is in the shop. I set the battery down in there long enough to start it up, spin it around, and poke it in the shop so it's close to the welder. All right, let's get started again. Well, here's the finished product. Bolted in tight. Both sides, battery cables all hooked up. Get a hold of this thing. It ain't moving. It's solid. Let's fire this thing up, go for a ride. if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen here today, go ahead and push that like button, subscribe, hit the little bell notification, share it with all your friends. Come back to see me. We'll be dropping another video soon. I appreciate you. Thanks.